What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This video is brought to you guys by Ampula, and we're taking a look at their MiniS portable Bluetooth speakers. Now, this is a really sleek thing. It's one of the coolest speakers I've taken a look at this year, and man, have I reviewed a lot of speakers this year. You see, these are interesting. They're really tiny, and they can fit in your pocket. You could take them, and you could even fit them both into one pocket, and they have these really powerful magnets built into the back of them. So you can actually go and stick these anywhere you want. You can stick one on a fridge, you can go and stick another one on a whiteboard or something, and then you can take another one and place on another fridge, or you can just have them sitting next to your Mac, and it looks really sleek. I think it's an awesome look overall. But the magnetic back, now that is creative, but at the same time they get really loud. You see how tiny they are? I can both put them in my hand and I can make them vanish, but at the same time you still get that three-dimensional TWS stereo, which gives it a really awesome sound. Now, unfortunately, it is Bluetooth 4.0, so hopefully they'll upgrade it to Bluetooth 5.0 in the next one. But a lot of you guys might be wondering about the real deal, which is what makes these a bit more unusual than everything else. Well, you see, this thing actually comes with a bunch of mounts as well. So first of all, you get 3M stickers. So if you don't want to use the magnet, you can stick the 3M stickers onto this, and afterwards one of the sides of the stickers is magnetic and the other side is sticky, so you can go ahead and stick it just about anywhere you want. So technically speaking, if you want to place this onto a wall and just have them kind of permanently be there, then this is one way to go and do that. But the way that a lot of people are going to be using this is on hikes and biking. Biking is going to be massive, so they actually included a full-on bike mount with this, so you can go and simply magnetically attach it, detach it whenever you don't need it, and you're perfectly set to go. There's also an armband, so my runners out there, just people who are going on walks, you are perfectly set, and you can use the sports strap or the armband to go ahead and be able to have your speakers on the go wherever you need them, and you can hear them nice for a lot of you guys who really don't like having headphones in your ears because you have unusual ears and your headphones tend to fall out every single 3 seconds. It makes it really useful for hiking and skateboarding and everything of those sorts. Now, if we're going hiking, we need to worry about battery life. So how much battery life do these get? Well, they have full-on power saving built into them, and you can actually get 8 hours of playtime on each of them. Now, if you really want to get creative, you can technically make it so you only use one of them, right? You use it for 8 hours, and then when it dies, you just use the other one. There's nothing out there that says you have to use both of them, which is something I've been doing. I've been kind of carrying just one of these around in my pocket, and it just makes for a really sleek speaker. And even one of them is more than loud enough to have enough, just a little bit of sound in your day, and you're perfectly set to go. You can replenish the whole thing in just about a 50-minute charge, so if it does die, if you carry around a battery pack, you're pretty much set to go. Inside of the box, you get 2 of these little tiny speaker things. You get 1 charging cable, 2 bike mounts, one for each side of your, bike handles and whatnot, 2 armbands, 1 for each arm, and then you get yourself the user manual itself, and they come with friendly customer service. So if anything happens, you can go ahead and reach out to them, and they will figure it out for you. Right now, this has 5 stars on Amazon, and for good reason. Last thing I want to talk about aesthetics. These are really nicely designed. When I first looked at this, I was like, wow. Did Apple design these? Because they look like something that need to be placed next to like a little MacBook Pro or something, or like they're meant for like an iPhone. They just look really sleek, and I love the overall design and portability of these. I would give them this year's most portable Bluetooth speakers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.